for Malaysia, N for Nepal, O for Oman, P for Pakistan, Q for Qatar, R for Russia, S for Sri Lanka, T for Thailand, U for Ukraine, V for Vietnam, W for Warsaw, X for no country, Y for human, Z for